Our resurrection tale on this cedar of Lebanon was when it was gifted to us by Professor Howard Latimer of Fresno State. It had been in his personal collection for some years and never transplanted. So it was, although healthy and draining, the tree itself had pushed itself up out of the pot with bottom roots about 4 inches. Also, it was in a desperate need of a restyling, and this is one of the trees that we turned over to Ryan Neal to take up to Mirai and work on it in his studio. He did a video with it, and this is a cedar of Lebanon, and these trees naturally, when they're mature, have this very, what I would call, oak tree shape. Some of our visitors there. So they naturally get this very oak tree billowing kind of branch structure and foliage pad arrangement. And that's the design that Ryan settled on, and we're following with this tree. Now, this being a cedar, it does take forever to get wire to set a branch in the right angle. We had wire on this tree, original wire from Ryan. Did the primaries and the secondaries. I did the tertiary branch pads. And the wire started to scar the tree, so we had to take the wire off. And as you can see, we're correcting branch pad foliage angles right now so that they're all consistent with a horizontal plane. And some of these have kind of become cantilevered. So I'm just going through here doing tip wiring and correcting some of these foliage pad angles to get to restore this thing. And it's also got some bud tip extension that we're going to control. So the resurrection story of this one is that we took a tree that had lost all aesthetic value, needed a desperate transplanting, and did that work, and then had Ryan pursue a traditional cedar of Lebanon design with it. And we're very happy with this whole design.